Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are starting a brand new journey into one of the most powerful libraries in Python called NumPy. If you are learning data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence or scientific computing, NumPy is absolutely essential. So what exactly is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's a Python library used for working with arrays, especially multidimensional arrays. But it's not just about arrays. NumPy provides a wide range of mathematical, statistical, and linear algebra operations that are optimized for performance. Here's why NumPy is so important. Let's say you are working with a huge dataset, like thousands or even millions of numbers. Using plain Python list will be slow and memory heavy. But with NumPy arrays, the same operations become faster, more efficient, and use less memory. It's the backbone of many other libraries like Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and more. These libraries internally rely on NumPy for mathematical operations, so learning NumPy is a must for any serious Python developer in the data world. Now let's talk about the core feature of NumPy. It introduces a new data structure called the ND array or n-dimensional array. This is way more powerful than regular Python lists. Why? Because it supports element-wise operations, vectorization, broadcasting, and more. Now, before we can start using NumPy, we need to make sure it's installed. Let's open PyCharm. Go to your terminal or command line. Type the following command. We type pip install numpy. This command will download and install NumPy from the Python package index. Once installed, we are ready to use it in our programs. Next, you can import and use this library in Python. We will see how to import and use NumPy library in next lecture. Now here's something important. NumPy is written in Python, but internally it uses C and C++ for performance. That's why NumPy is much faster than Python lists, especially for large data operations. Let's now talk about some real things NumPy can do. It allows you to perform mathematical operations on entire arrays without writing loops. For example, you can multiply all elements in an array by 10 in just one line. It also supports operations like summing values, finding max or mean, sorting, filtering, reshaping arrays, slicing, matrix multiplication, and more. NumPy arrays are homogeneous, meaning all elements are of the same data type, like all integers or all floats. This gives it a performance advantage compared to Python lists, which can hold mixed types. Now let's summarize why NumPy is important. It's fast, it's memory efficient, and it's used everywhere in the Python data ecosystem. From small personal projects to huge data science pipelines, NumPy is at the core. So if you are serious about learning data science or doing any kind of numerical computing, start with NumPy, master it, and build a strong foundation. That's it for this theory introduction. In the next lecture, we'll jump into hands-on coding and see how to create NumPy arrays using various techniques. So open your editor, install NumPy if you haven't already, and get ready for some coding action. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.